So strong finish to the week, a little bit easier to short the market today as it did sell off into the close, even though it was still a little bit choppy. But up on the day, 200K portfolio plus 1575, trading 6 micros of the stock index 25. The 50K portfolio trading 1 micro of the stock index 25 was up about 250 for the week, up 1455 and up 8675 for the week here on the 200K portfolio. And let's look at the trades. AT 2022 exited on this reversal here. Needed a little bit steeper trailing stop loss, I guess you could say, but that's okay because the market reverses quite a bit. I thought it was going to reverse once again. So it was good to see some selling at the close. A little surprised there was no follow through. I thought the market, after yesterday's rally and going into a holiday weekend, oftentimes the market rallies, but I think inflation is catching up with the market. Higher interest rates as bonds sold off today. Let's look at, I'll show you bonds and crude oil in a minute. And I think that played a key role, even though the main thing in the news today was Elon Musk trying to buy Twitter. We heard more about that than inflation, but we'll look at crude oil and bonds in a minute. EVP1, little trade at the end of the day, 60-minute breakout. When the market opened, there was a lot of buying pressure. And so we got some buy signals going here. The dip buyers came in and like to buy those opens. Stopped out, gap continuation 2019. This is the strategy that we changed on starting on Tuesday's trade. And had we kept the old stop loss, it would have been stopped out. It would have been stopped out on this small rally right here. That's why we needed a bigger rally. We had on the old version, we had a $700 per E-mini stop loss or 35 points. And now we have 100 points. And so that paid off to go with that today. This one also won yesterday. Gap continuation 2022 has a variable range stop loss just stopped out here. I would like to maybe potentially adjust that as well. Need a little more room. Tick reversal up on the day. Brand new equity peaks in this. And then we had covered 2022 overnight, stopped out. So we had some good shorts on the day. 1, 2, 3, 4 strategies, taking some nice short trades on the day. And then we had 1 long, 2 longs that lost on the day, and 1 short trade that was just stopped out. So overall, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strategies trade on the day. On the NASDAQ, 4 were winners, 3 were losers. The S&P adaptive moving average up on the day a little bit. Took this long trade and the market rolled over. We got short. We rode shorts into the close, and that was the only trade on the S&P today. And so if you see, for example, these red vertical lines right here, those are different days. So the current session starts at the red vertical line. So that was yesterday's trade. This was Wednesday's. That was Tuesday's. And so just 1 trade today. Up on the day, we have a 3-day weekend coming up with the Easter holiday. The markets will be closed starting at 4 p.m. So there is no holiday half day tomorrow or a situation where the futures are open and stocks are closed. And so once again, here are the trades on the day. Plus 250 and plus 1575 up on the week in the portfolios. Have a good holiday weekend. Look forward to picking up trading next week for the second half. I told you I was going to show you bonds and crude oil. So here it is. Crude oil, massive move up, 2%, 106. Bonds really sold off today pretty hard at the lows of the week. And that eventually brought stocks down. They were a little bit delayed and hesitant, but they finally came down. And so peak inflation is what's been called since October. I've heard the bulls call for peak inflation since October. I don't think we're there yet. So I think that's what caught the stock market today. I think that's what will provide some additional selling potentially next week. So look forward to seeing how the market opens on Sunday night. Have a good holiday weekend. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.